Hey, today we're going to discuss the pros and cons of buying versus renting. Whether you're a first time home buyer or considering renting, I'm here to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive right in. Now, one of the biggest advantages of buying a home is the sense of ownership and stability it provides. So when you buy a home, you're investing in the future and building equity. Plus, you have the freedom to customize and personalize your living space however you want to do so. Now, on the other hand, renting offers flexibility and a lower upfront cost. So renting is an excellent option if you're not ready to commit to a specific area, or if you prefer to deal with maintenance, or if you prefer not to deal with maintenance and repairs. It allows you to live in different neighborhoods or cities without the hassle of having to sell a property. Now, financially, buying a home can be a great investment in the long run. So over time, real estate tends to appreciate, means your home's value could increase. And you may also enjoy certain tax benefits like deducting mortgage interest and property taxes. Also, owning a home can provide a sense of stability with fixed monthly payments, where, unlike renting, rent prices can actually increase over time. However, it's essential to consider the cons of buying a home as well. The upfront cost can be pretty significant. The down payment, closing costs, potential repairs or renovations. You also assume the responsibility of paying property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance expenses. Where renting, on the other hand, doesn't require a large upfront investment. You may face limitations in terms of personalizing your living space or making significant changes. Additionally, since you don't own the property, your monthly rent payments may increase over time, subject to whatever your landlord decides. Now, when it comes to the decision making process, it's important to consider your long term goals, financial situation, and lifestyle preferences. So, if you plan to settle down or prioritize stability, buying a home might be the right choice for you. Whereas, on the other hand, if flexibility and minimal responsibility are more important, go ahead and rent. At the end of the day, there are pros and cons to both. And as an expert in the real estate industry, I encourage you to weigh these factors carefully and seek professional advice to make an informed decision that aligns with your unique circumstances. And whether you choose to buy or rent, I'm always here to help support and guide you every step of the way. So feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. As always, thank you for watching, and I wish you the best in finding your perfect home.